Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create text tracking in CapCut apps. So open the CapCut apps and tap on your project, select your video that you like to edit, and for example, so I'm going to add text. And I'm just going to make sure on his body or his head, and check mark and select the tracking. So select tracking and select text, start tracking. So just wait. And there we go. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.